Okay, so the agenda for today's session is how the QM module integrated with other modules. As we talked yesterday, that all the modules in SAP, which is nothing but all the departments, right, are integrated tightly. That means each department can internally communicate with each others and internally share the data from one department to other easily. So that is why we are using SAP. So as we say that this is tightly integrated, we'll look into it like how the QM module is integrated and what are the dependencies it has with other modules.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
In SAP, right? So we will not go into SAP screen. We will just understand how this is integrated with other departments and other modules. Like it is integrated with material management. That means material procurement, material storage, and material distribution. Everything will be covered under material management. Why I mentioned only material management is just to introduce you that okay, earlier there was only material management. Now we have lot of variations in it. That means a lot of uh, broken pieces into it. Has been divided into logistics separately, right? And in logistic we will be having now IM warehouse in extended warehouse, and still SAP is evolving in that area to bring new things, right? So that is how the material management is integrated with quality management. Then how the quality management will be integrated with production planning, and how they are, what are the processes or integrated. What is integrated? I talk integrated always. So what it is integrated, in which way they are integrated? The integration means if any process, right, if any process happens by means of these two people or by means of this two department, is called as integrated process, right? For example, production execution with quality, right? So that is integrated. Now production has some share some data with quality, quality will share some data with production planning. Together they complete that process of making with quality. So that is called integrated process, right? So quality also will integrate with sales department. That is in SAP it is called as sales and distribution, right? And also it integrates with PM. PM is nothing but plant maintenance. Nowadays it is called as asset management. Okay, so this is called as integrated, how the quality management is integrated with other modules. We will see in detail how it is getting integrated with each module, right? So first, it's more better.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Yeah. Okay. So how it is integrated with material management. So as I said, now material management has a lot of division in it, like P2P, procure to payment, right? That means procuring that material and payment will be handled separately nowadays. And IM means inventory management. Once you procure that material, procure means purchasing the materials, then it will be stored in a store. That will be called as inventory management in SAP. And in advance to that, we had warehouse management, just an advancement of IM. Okay, then by advancing this warehouse management, now extended warehouse management is being used in place. Now all we will call it as material management, right? So now how it is integrated with material management, right? So the first point that we would like to understand here is the quality related information of the material. That means what kind of inspection to be done for this particular material will be the quality information related to the material. For example, in SAP, let me so I'll open an Excel. So for example, in our earlier example, we used pen, right? For making pen, we will buy ink, ink, bottom cap, etc. Any other material, any labels, right? So now, if this is the material that needs to be purchased, and by purchasing them, we will make pen. So now these all will be called as materials in SAP to trace, because in SAP it will show, okay, pen is a material. For pen, we will create, right? It's a material code, okay? And ink, we will have a material code. And all material, yeah. Now for example, this one I will say in, so every materials that need to be procured or produced in any manufacturing plants that wants to use SAP, then in SAP they will create all of them as a material. Okay, they will be having a identity number in the SAP, right? So that is called a material code or material number or part number, right? So now each material will have a material code. Now this material will be created under material management module in SAP, right? So as I talk, yes, I will be talking a little bit into SAP, because we already discussed what are the modules and how they are equivalent to what departments, right? So material management is what department, and PP means production planning, and SD means sales and distribution. So that understanding we have now. So in SAP, we have every departments as a module. Now we will be seeing in how each module integrated with QM. Now we are discussing about material management module. So now materials are created under material management module, module, right? Because they are the owners of managing that material. Okay, so in module, they'll be having a material code. Now for each material code, you can set quality related data. That means what kind of inspection to be performed, the particular material.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So now you will be giving, this is one example information that we maintain in the material. So now as a quality person, this data we will be maintaining under material management module, right? So now we are integrating our quality information to material management. So now we will tell, okay, what kind of inspection to be performed to this particular material. What are the kinds of inspection that we have saw yesterday is incoming inspection means 0, 1 inspection, right? We saw this yesterday. Yeah, 0, 1. We also saw 0, 3, also saw 0, 4, right? So 0, 4, right? Now